Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's begin. As you can see, the cube is now scrambled, but that you don't need to worry about that because we're going to learn how to solve it. So our first step is to find the white cross. To find the right cross, there needs to be a cross. The white center needs to have a white cross. As you can see, there's only one, which is done. So when you're making the white cross, the pieces should match the centers. As you can see, the white matches the center, but as you can see, the red doesn't match the center. This center is orange, which means the piece we will need is this one. So let's try and put this piece into here. So we turn it, and then now these two pieces match and these two pieces match. Then we do this for the other sides. So here we need a white piece and a blue piece. So white and blue. Let's see this one. Turn it, flip it. Now it's done. Now let's do it to the other pieces. As you can see, the white piece is in this position, so we can't flip it. So for this, we do this. Turn it to the side, down, side. And now it's done. And then the last piece is here. Do the same algorithm. And it's done. Now that the white cross is done, next we have to find the whole white piece. This means the corners must match the center again. So as you can see, blue doesn't match the white center. We need a white piece, a red piece, and a blue piece, which is this piece, but it's in a bad position. So to get this out of this position, we move it down, side, up. And then now it's here. And then to put this piece into here, we flip it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now it's secured into here. Now we do that for the other corners too. This one is a white, blue, orange piece, which is this one. So as you can see, it's stuck at the bottom. That doesn't matter. So we turn it like that, flip it like that. And then we turn this like that. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then now it's in there. So then let's just do it to these two pieces quicker. Down, side, up. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. That's done. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, these two pieces are wrong, so we need to flip them around. So we just do that. And then boom, the first layer is done. Now we need to find the second layer. So to find the second layer, we need to flip the cube around onto the yellow side. So to find the second layer, we need to use these pieces at the top. So first we need to match the red to the red center. Nope, nope, nope. Yes. As you can see, it matches. And then on top is green. The green center is here, which means the piece is supposed to be here. Instead of moving it this side, we're going to move it the opposite direction. And then we're going to do these 4 moves, which are very important when you're solving a 3x3 cube. Up, side, down, side. and then you repeat that here. You flip the cube like that and then repeat it. And as you can see, the piece is here now. Now we're just going to do the same thing but for the other sides. As you can see, it's here and the blue center is here. Turn it opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's there. Next, orange and green. Turn it the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then boom. And then our last piece, orange and red, but blue. Turn it the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2. And then boom. It's in. As you see, our second layer is done. Next, we're going to find the yellow cross. Before we had found the white cross, but now we're going to find the yellow cross as it's at the bottom. So first, we flip our cube to the front. Oh, and if an L shape is formed, you should turn it so it's on the top left. Then you turn the green side like that, so it's turned. And then you do the same 4 moves I showed. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, a horizontal line is made. And then if you see that horizontal line, you just need to do it one last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then boom. As you can see, the yellow cross is formed. Now, we need to match the middle to this piece. As you can see, these aren't matched. So we need to find all of these. So blue is here. But then the other pieces aren't matched. So there's a certain algorithm you need to do to find them. So first, if you find 2 of them and 2 of them aren't, then you need to do this. After you've found 2 of the centers which match, you need to put it in this position. So one of them is on the side, on the right side, and one of them is on the back. And these 2 unsolved ones are here. Next, you need to do this algorithm. Up, side, down, side, up, and then all the way back. And then down. And then you can fix the centers. Red, red, blue, blue, orange, orange, and green, green. So that step is done. Our next step is to make sure these corners are correct. Not necessarily in the right place, but the colors must be the same. Yellow, blue, and orange is not correct. There's blue, there's yellow, but there's no orange, there's red. Let's see the next piece. Yellow, orange, green. Yellow, orange, blue. No. Red, blue, yellow. Green, yellow, orange. That's wrong. Last, this one. Yellow, red, and green. This is correct. Yellow, red, and green. So, starting from here, as this is the only correct piece, not necessarily in the very correct piece, but like just in the correct spots, we do this algorithm. Left, up, right, up. Left, down, left, right, down. As you can see, the pieces have still not been solved, so we need to repeat this algorithm. Left, up, right, up. Left, down, left, right, down. As you can see now, all of the pieces are solved. Blue, orange, yellow, yellow, blue, orange. Green, yellow, orange, green, yellow, orange. And red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green. And last of all, blue, yellow, red. As you can see, this is the only one which is in the correct spot. But these need to be shuffled. And for this, you can solve the cube. So first, you put your cube on the front, at the top, and then you repeat the 4 steps which I showed at the start of the video. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do this until it's solved. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, it's solved. Now, instead of turning the whole cube around, we turn the bottom. If you don't do this, this can mess up your whole cube. So we do these 4 moves again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's solved. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you just turn this, and boom, you've solved the cube. So, I hope you enjoyed this video of solving a cube in 10 minutes. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.